Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Solana from an exchange like Kucoin to a secure wallet such as Trust Wallet. Today, we're breaking down the process step by step, so you can do this quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Kucoin account with Solana in it and the Trust Wallet app installed on your device. If you haven't already, download Trust Wallet from your app store and set it up. Once that's done, open Trust Wallet and add Solana to your wallet. It's as simple as searching for Sol in the app and importing it if needed. Now, head over to your Kucoin account. Log in securely and navigate to the Assets or Wallets section. Find your Solana balance and look for the Withdraw button next to it. Click that, and you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. This is crucial. Copy the Solana wallet address from your Trust Wallet. In Trust Wallet, go to your Solana wallet, tap on Receive, and you'll see a QR code and a string of characters. That's your address. Double check that you're using the correct network, which for Solana is the Solana network itself. Paste this address into the Kucoin withdrawal form. Next, enter the amount of Solana you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated fees first to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through email, SMS, or two-factor authentication for security. After you submit, keep an eye on your transaction. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, open Trust Wallet and refresh your Solana balance. You should see your funds there. A quick tip: always double-check addresses to prevent any losses, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.